Hi, my dear student. Today I am going to explain BCom 6th semester managerial accounting subject break even analysis formulas. All formulas I am going to explain. Here, break even chapter is actually one of the important, and it is a very all formulas based subjects. So here in this chapter they will give in the actually question sales, fixed cost, variable cost, profit they will give. Usually sales, first one sales equals to fixed cost, variable cost, profit. Sales if it is 100, these three remaining three are called 100. So first if you write this process is you can understand is very easily. Sales here in this given problem, sales given 5 lakhs, fixed cost given 3 lakhs, 1,60,000 variable cost, profit 40,000. Here for this problem they are asking this many questions. First one, calculate contribution, P by V ratio, break even point and margin of safety. Okay, margin of safety. So here these are the 4 formulas I am doing. Here see is one of the important and easiest problem for a compulsory exam. Okay, so first one, contribution. First formula, contribution is equal to formula is sales minus variable cost. Okay, sales minus variable cost. Now here I am substituting in this formula. Sales is equal to 5 lakhs, minus variable cost is equal to 1,60,000. Here contribution is equal to 3,40,000. This is called contribution formula. Next, second formula I am doing P by V ratio, profit volume ratio. For this formula is contribution divided by sales into 100. So here I am substituting in this formula. Contribution just now we are calculated. That answer came 3,40,000. 3,40,000 divided by sales is equal to 5 lakhs into 100 is equal to, here answer will come. See here 4 zeros cancelled. Here 34 into 100 divided by 50 equals to 68% came. 68% answer is coming. So next, this is the P by V ratio formula. Then next, third one, break even. Very important one, break even point. It means no profit no loss. It is the point is showing no profit no loss. Okay, that is called break even point. Here formula is for this, sales fixed cost into sales divided by sales minus variable cost. So here it means if I am substituting in this, see given information, all we have already. FC we have, sales we have, sales minus variable cost also we have. So here say FC is equal to 3 lakhs into sales is equal to 5 lakhs. Divided by sales minus VC, already we are calculated now. Directly I am writing 3,40,000 rupees. 3,40,000. Here these 4 zeros cancelling. Here in this also these 4 zeros cancelling. Now 3 lakh into 50 divided by 54, if I substitute, this answer will come 4,41,176 again. Okay, this is the break even point. Now finally fourth one, margin of safety is equal to, here formula is first actual sales minus break even sales. Here actual sales means already given for sales in the formula. 5 lakhs is given sales, minus break even sales, just now we got, that is break even sales 441,176. If we are calculated, that is the answer. Next, here 58,000 824 is the answer. Okay, so these are the important formulas. Next, see, I am doing another problem. For same model, I am doing another problem. So here they are given already. Sales is equal to 10 lakhs, FC is equal to 3 lakh, VC is equal to 6 lakhs, profit 1 lakh. This is the question given question information they are provided us. For this purpose, they are asking calculate contribution, PV ratio, break even point, margin of safety. Okay, these are the important formulas they are asking. So again here also contribution is equal to sales minus VC, variable cost. Here if I am substituting in this formula, sales is equal to 10 lakhs minus variable cost is equal to 6 lakhs is equal to 4 lakhs. Then next second one, P by V ratio. P by V ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution 4 lakhs divided by sales is equal to 10 lakhs into 100. Okay, so here it is answer is 25%. Okay, like this we have to do. These are the formulas. Okay, we'll next chapter with the next chapter we'll meet tomorrow again.